Hi guys, it's Thomas here. Welcome back to the channel and I hope you're having a great day. Today I want to give you a short walkthrough of my Notion template called Portco Exhibit, which is part of the NotionVC template bundle dedicated to micro VCs, small investors, solo GPs, and angel investors. And in this particular case, the Portco Exhibit template is dedicated to being able to showcase your portfolio companies and investments. The use case for this is several-fold. So first of all, of course, it's potentially being able to present your portfolio on a company level to your LPs or investors, but also to be able to share high-level information about your portfolio companies to other VCs in your peer network or other people that you want to introduce the companies to, etc. And as with any other of my templates, what I'm trying to do is to create essentially a structure and skeleton which you can build and customize. So of course, each of you will have a different idea about what type of information about your companies you want to showcase, of course, and it might also differ based on the audience. So take this as a skeleton that you can take on and improve and adjust as you need. So let's start. And one more disclaimer essentially is that what I'm trying to do with all my templates is to keep them simple, because that's one of the major things that I'm trying to follow when developing Notion templates, to keep things simple so that it's easy to understand and easy to use. So the same principle is used here with Portco Exhibit. So with that being said, let me now give you a quick walkthrough and overview of the template. So first of all, like the first part or the top part is dedicated to showcasing and describing the key information about each company. So we start with this like one name of the company, of course, this one sentencer around what the company does. So essentially this like elevator one sentence pitch which describes the company. Then in the company information we have several parameters, and as I said in the beginning, you can obviously freely adjust these, but it's stuff like HQ, year founded, industry, current stage, current ARR, etc., etc. So anything that you need to showcase here on a high level. Then in the second part, we have this like quarterly update and latest developments, which is essentially your space to be able to describe what's been going on with the company in the last be it quarter, be it half year, whatever works, and placeholders for being able to highlight positive and negative developments for the given company. Now, coming on to the second part of the template, we have our investment, which is essentially a simple table which enables you to track your investment in the company. So what we have here is the invested amount. We have the current fair value of that of your investment. From that, automatically what we can calculate is the multiple, of course, and also the IRR, since we have the days held here, which is calculated automatically based on the investment date. So essentially, all you need to do here is to input how much money has been invested in the company, what's the fair value of the investment, and the current valuation of the business, and investment date, and everything else is kind of calculated automatically here, and it gives a nice and simple overview of the performance of your investment in the company. And for the third part of the simple Portco Exhibit template, we have company metrics, which can be pretty much anything that you decide to track and showcase. But for my purposes, what I have here is P&L, so EBIT of the business on a quarterly basis. I have the revenue of the startup, and I have headcount. And these charts are calculated from the inputs that are put here, which is essentially, again, like a very simple table, and you can customize these charts in any way you like. But what I found is, keeping things simple, being able to showcase, 2, 3, 4 key quantitative metrics for each company is a great way to present this data visually. So that's it. As you can see, it's a one-page template, which is essentially composed of 3 parts. So the first one is the content part. The second one is the performance of your investment, and the third one is quantitative update or quantitative metrics of the startup that you want to track. So having all this filled out, what you can do with this is obviously you can use Notion's share function to be able to share this, essentially using a URL which you can just send to anyone, or you can also export this as a PDF if need be. So this serves as a simple tool that you can fill out for all your investments, and you can use that to share with your LPs or VCs or introducers or potential hires, etc., etc. So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this overview. If you like this template, you can find the link in the description below to check it out, and also check out NotionVC.com, where I try to build similar simple workflows and templates using Notion for small VCs, angels, and micro investors. So thank you very much for checking this one out. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.